look like an action adventure movie, but it's actually a D-Lab road trip. So we've been guided here by the boat anchor buddy because it is detecting some tube relic. I don't think it's a ham radio because we are outside of the perimeter. So either it's a vintage amp or we have found a Viridium patch. All right, so we're really getting close to the target. It shows it's just around this bend. Let's see where the boat anchor buddy takes us.
Right in.
Okay. And it appears as though it's pointing at this building. That's where the boat anchor's at. All right, we've landed. The relic is inside of this Renegade resale shop. So let's go in there and see what we can find. So here the guy we're after is named David. At least that's his stage name. Let's go. I bet you that's him at the back counter. How you doing, man?
How are you?
David?
Eric.
Stage name? Eric?
Stage name.
Oh, you want to go with the real name?
No, I don't want to be videotaped.
All right, everybody. I am here with Eric. He keeps changing his name on me. But he's running this resale shop down here. What's the town? Is it Chesterton?
We're in Chesterton, Indiana. 108 North Calumet, Chesterton, Indiana, the Renegade Resale Shop. We established in 2020.
Cool. And he's got all kinds of cool goodies, and I'm here to pick up one. The one that we just detected on the Boat Anchor Buddy app up here. There it is.
They make them so heavy these days.
So, Dynaco ST70. Told you guys it was the tube amp. Look at there. It's in the original box, original manual, chrome chassis, and you said that the tubes are in there, right? I'd love it to show one if possible. $60-year-old amplifier waiting to be built.
Yeah, keep digging.
Okay. Yep. That's cool. Those are transformers, obviously. There they are.
I'll let you do the end.
Yeah, man. So they're Dynaco GZ34. It's a beauty. This is right on it. Great Britain.
That's the one that I opened.
Yeah. There's one of the output tubes. The EL34s. Same deal, guys. Dynaco emblem. This amp is just waiting to come to the shop and be built.
And then I want it
been
back.
waiting for 60 years. Yeah, then he wants it back. Very cool, man. Very cool. All right, so I've added to the pile. I got a Crown IC150 and a little Dynaco ST80. Solid state though, but it's cool. Eric gave me a great deal, and we're going to stay in contact and hopefully do some future business, right, man?
That'd be awesome.
Yeah, man.
That'd be awesome.
Excellent. Appreciate it.
Funny what Facebook can do for you.
Yeah.
Sometimes you make friends, not enemies.
That's right. Right. Yep.
Cool.
All right.
Awesome.
Kill it. All right, we got her loaded up in the shuttlecraft. So when I get home, I'll open up the Dynaco 70 and we'll spread it out on the bench, and you guys can see this beautiful amp kit. Think about it, guys. It's been 60 years and this one has never been built. What's the chances of that?